Oh, hey, how's it going? It's Johnny Petro again. Welcome back to my painting. It's good to see you all again. Hey. What's up, all YouTubers out there? Alright, we're all back. We're going to go ahead and continue our concert picture. I apologize, this is going to be the same, as last time, but it's just a continuation of our process, shall we? If you're ever working on a project and if it takes you a while, chances are you'll speed up someday, and you'll understand, that it doesn't take 100 tools to paint a picture. It just, you just gotta find ways to get the work done. Okay, gotta have some water in that brush. Just go into our white and our magenta colors. And then, starting over here, there we go. If your straight edge ever curves, just do it again. Just turn it around. Man, I hope you hope you can see us from here. New place where painting is right over here. See, I'm just making pink lights. And sometimes you don't really need to have your straight, you can just go ahead and... Now the reason I'm painting in gestural lines is just to get the accuracy going, Alright, see, that didn't take me too long. A line. And just, if you want to add on to it, you can. Painting is, expressive and free. Takes your mind off the bad in life. It all depends on how well you approach this picture. Well, you can make it a little bit darker if you want. Okay, let's do something a little bit different, shall we? Let's go into the purple and violet. Oh, and by the way, if you ever want to clean your brush off, here, just like I said in the previous videos, here is my coffee can, and inside is some water. And you place your brush in there. Kinda hope you can see that better. Clean along the sides here. And that's how you do it. Yeah. So right now, if you want to see the whole picture and how it's turning out, it's good to just take a step back. Just take a step back and see how the process is coming along. It's coming along really nicely. If you ever have any doubts, you gotta use your straight edge here. Whether it's foam core or whatnot, you gotta have something to line up your paint. Just let it fade away as it goes too. Really no other right way to do it. Just there, see? Nothing wrong with that. You can go back in, darken it in if you'd like. Oh, Don't forget your straight edge now, guys. See this? And sorry from last time, everybody, that videos can stop anytime soon. So, you know, don't expect me to get on this stuff. Enjoy me while you have me as your teacher. It's just a nice way to go about it. Everyone's going to start off, you know, very slow, and they'll work their way towards, you know, where they're supposed to be. And don't forget, there's other time lapses out there for you guys to look at. You get good access to some of these good portraits and other paintings out there. And, you know, it's all a matter of, you know, what your resources are and where you get them from. And of course we can go back to our script liner brush right here. I know it got a little quiet there for a moment, but I just had to check over that, you know, little reference photo my friend sent me. I know, guys, my paint is getting to become very thin now. See you next time in my next video, everybody. Goodbye.